Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will explore Padma area on live streaming. So we can see together how the real situation at the moment in Padma area. Okay guys, let's keep staying in touch. Okay, now we are in Padma Utara Street. Okay, so this is the real station, the real situation at the moment in Padma area. It still looks very quiet, isn't it? You see left side? There is Kumala Hotels. It's closed. It's very sad. This is the effect from the corona. Yeah. Look very quiet. So today I will drive very slowly because I just want to show you how to look like the station at the moment in this area. It's real like a ghost town because very quiet. On the right side there is Kumala Pantai Hotel. Yeah, also look quiet. Kumala Pantai. Oh my god, it's very quiet. You see on the right side? There is Jakarta Hotel. There's some car parking there. That's good. What Kudara Street right there? Yeah, but I keep driving in Padma Utara Street. Restaurant. Some people there. It's good. This is the Away Hotel. There's some parking there, some car parking. That's good. I mean, there's some people still there, I think. Actually, before the pandemic corona in this area, a lot of people walk around the sidewalk because it's like body shop, spa, and restaurant in this area. But you see, today it's very quiet, isn't it? Oh my god. Very quiet. Amar's Hotel, left side. Look empty. This is the Legian, the hotel. Also no car parking. Very quiet. See, left side, that is all the stuff is closed. It's very close. Oh my god, it's very quiet. You see the left side? Mantap, mantap. Makasih. Actually, it's like the first time I do live streaming, so I don't know what I have to do actually. But I just want to show you how look like the station at the moment in Padma area. You see? The building at the front. Just right here. before the pandemic corona, there's a lot local people, domestic, they make a photo in this area to make Instagrammable. Oh, look at this. This close. This fish, Joe. Oh, thank you for watching. Okay, now we keep driving, and today I will drive around until to the Legian beach. I want to show you how the station right there at the moment, the real station. This is the hotel, Ibis Hotel. Also look very quiet. All the car is covered on. Oh, there's car there. That's good. Some people stayed there. This is also a hotel. Look empty. The parking area is empty. Ramai ke? Aduh. Kamu ketulir ramai ya. Jadi buka bola nah. Tanggal berapa jam? Tanggal 14 ya gua. You see right side? There's all the shop is closed today. It's very sad. It's very quiet. You see that? Okay ya. Oh, this is the hotel and restaurant, also empty. They open but close. I mean, they open but quiet. Sorry, my English was so terrible. Okay, guys, from Padma Utara Street, I will turn right to the Padma Street because I will explore the beach, Legian Beach today. I hope there will be some people there on the beach. Padma Hotel, right side. The big hotel, but look quiet. It's very sad. Also left side. This is also a big hotel. Oh, there's a taxi parking here. That's good. It's waiting for the customer. You see the front? There's Legian Beach. We'll be rich very soon. I'm so sorry if my voice is not so clear. Maybe it's so windy around here. Tourists on the bike. That's good. Whew. Actually, in this area, it's very beautiful. I mean, it still looks like a green area. See, right side, there's the beach, and left side, there's the hotels. And this is the restaurant at the front. Also look empty. Okay, and I will park in here and I will show you how look like the Legian Beach today. The station in Legian Beach. It's nice restaurant, isn't it? It's very beautiful decoration here. Oh my god, but empty. This is Legian Beach today. look quiet, isn't it? Oh my god, I know. So quiet. If you see on this part, where's my finger? Yeah, right there. There is a double sig beach. Look busy there. And we will see how look like Kuta beach from here. Quite far, but we can see right there is Kuta beach. It look like lots of people there. But Legian beach is still very quiet. Oh my god. This is effect of Corona. It's very sad. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching my video, and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video because I will always update the new station in Bali. Thank you very much and see you in next live streaming. Bye bye.